Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. And welcome to the Red Green Show. We're going to move some springs today. He's been at it for hours. Oh well. Let's get to work. Hello again, everybody. We're making some headway on the spring pile. Let me show you what we got. Okay, here's what we've got. All of these are the leaf with the hole in it. These are slightly longer. The next leaf down. These are slightly longer than these. So that's next leaf down. We have 2 full spring packs, a couple of the upper and the next above that, and then we've got a few bottom leaves as well. So there is the pile of the front springs that for sale. You can see that there's various arches. There's even better ones down in there, but you can see some of the arches. The ones with the best arch are the new old stock ones, so I'm told. This one there, you can see a little bit of a difference. So these would be used. These two would have been the new old stock, and these were probably used. All I can tell you is what was told to me when I got them. So they're coming out of my new woodworking shop, and they're going to sit outside until somebody buys them. So if you want them, come to Massachusetts, get them. Next I'm going to do this. I'm going to lay this out on top of the pile as well, and all gone. Hey, here's our haul. We have one top one for the rear, one of the middle ones with the hole for the clippy thing. Got a bunch of these. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of those, going one size larger. Got a bunch of those, 2 layers deep. We have one tapered leaf here. Let me go back to square. Got a partial pack here from that leaf down. Still got the piece holding it together. And we're down another size from, I think these two are the same size here. And then I found at the bottom of the pile what appears to be a complete rear set of tapered leaves that I am not going to be selling. And then a couple of spares at the bottom of that. After the Speedster project is done, I'll reconsider this, but I want to make sure I have enough to build that car. So the tapered leaves, these are the only ones I found. Not for sale. The later stuff, the black era, I'll sell those, no problem. So if you want any, or almost all of this, let me know. Right now they're going to be placed outside. I'm going to throw a piece of wood over them and revisit the issue in the spring. So if you see anything you want, let me know.